Okay, here we go. Welcome back. Happy Monday again. Full day week this week. Today our objective is going to be that I can demonstrate understanding of different ecosystems by completing food chains, energy pyramids, and food webs for specific species in an ecosystem. We are going to be getting new teams. I'm going to start you off with the objective right here, and then we're going to be getting new teams. When you get new teams, we're going to use our Kagan team mats to recall, to see which roles people are going to play. I'll use one of my sorter tools. We're going to see which person is in charge of recording for the first round, and which person is going to be in charge of actually doing research, so gathering a computer, that kind of thing. So we're going to be using some roles in class today. I'll give a little more detail on that. Live me will give a little more detail on that. And so we're going to be using our Kagan mats to research different ecosystems, up to 7, if there's 7 groups in a class, 6 in some classes. And we finding an ecosystem and then creating our 3 example things. Of course, we have food chains, which are the straight line through an ecosystem. So for example, if I'm just looking here in Lake County, then I'm looking at the sun gives energy to plants like grass, grass and algae, and then grass is eaten by deer. Deer are eaten by coyotes, and then coyotes are broken down by decomposers. I want you to make sure to include the sun and decomposers in all of your food chains and food webs and energy pyramids as you draw them. Remember, with our energy pyramid, the first level is always going to be producers. So we're going to start off at producers and then go up to first level consumers, and then second level consumers, tertiary consumers, and apex predators, assuming you get that far in your pyramid. If your ecosystem has at least 5 species, you should be able to do a pyramid that has at least 5 species in it. Remember, you can't cross-pollinate things. We want to include 1 species per level in a pyramid, 1 species per trophic level in a food chain. And then in our food webs, obviously those are crossing over food chains. That's a little bit different concept. So in a minute here, you're going to be getting new teams. We're going to find out how we're breaking down that stuff. We're going to be doing 3 different models in class today, so that could be pretty challenging for some groups. If you complete all of it, then we're going to be moving on to doing a second ecosystem with a partner, trying to build all these skills until we can do them individually, because we're kind of struggling still with getting this stuff done individually. So we want to build through, we're going to do 3 different ecosystems to make sure we can get to that individual basis. Tomorrow on Tuesday, we're going to be down in the library for our digital citizenship. And we're going to be starting to work on a research project. I'll let Miss Lee Wright explain a little more about that to you when we get down there tomorrow. But like I said, for now, I'm about to bring up our new groups. So we'll find our new teams and we'll find out what our roles are for today, and we'll get started. Happy Monday.